Hi, my name is Cayden Kameda. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today we're going to be doing a Bambu Labs X1-Carbon nozzle replacement. For this, you will need a number 2 Allen wrench and a replacement nozzle. For purposes of filming, we will be removing the AMS unit and top glass. For the AMS unit, simply grab both sides and move to the back of the machine. For the top glass, simply grab the handle and lift. Place somewhere safe to avoid breaking the glass. When you have the machine, click on the second tab and locate temperature and axis and press the home button. And wait for the machine to home. Now that the machine is done homing, you're going to want to locate the move panel and move the bed down until you feel comfortable working inside the machine. Next, you're going to go to the back of the machine and ensure that the power is off. This can be done by pressing the open and unplugging the machine. Now, you're going to open the door and push the nozzle head until you're in a comfortable position to work. Then you're going to clip off the magnetic cover and just push it over the bar. Next, you're going to want to locate the 3 wires that you need to unplug. This includes the main power, the data, and the temperature sensor. When pulling out clips, make sure to pull the clips out by the plastic so that you don't pull out the wires from the connector. Next, you're going to want to make sure all the wires are unclipped from the main nozzle assembly, and you can just push them to the side. Next, you're going to take your number 2 hex or Allen wrench and simply unscrew the 2 main bolts that are holding down the nozzle. Next, simply now simply pull both bolts out and keep these for later. Next, simply pull the nozzle down and out of the machine. Next, take your replacement nozzle, fold the wires down to the side, reorient, and simply push up. Next, take the 2 screws from earlier and refit them into the new nozzle. Take the Allen wrench and tighten these down until about hand tight. And carefully plug in the wire, slip the wires back into the holder and connect them back into the right ports. Now that the wires are connected, simply grab the magnetic cover plate and click onto the head of the nozzle. Now we're going to replace that top glass and put back the AMS unit. And that's how you do a Bambu Lab X1-Carbon nozzle replacement. Thank you for watching.